Techie Academics. So I am Amaresh. So today semester 4th BSc MPC or MPCS subject mathematics. So 4th semester what is syllabus means algebra. First basics concept is very important. You can select it set forms and also elements. Which is set forms is important, also which type of elements is belongs to set forms. So basic concepts. So first one, capital N. Capital N means set of all natural numbers. So start the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. So that is important. 1, 2, 3 up to so on. This is a set of all natural numbers. One important condition, 0 does not belongs to N. That is very important. 0 does not belongs to N. Next one, set of all whole numbers. What is symbol? W. So starting the elements 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. So this is of set of all natural numbers, set of all whole numbers. Next to set of all integers. The symbol is Z or I. So elements is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on, and also -1, -2, -3 up to so on. This is our set of all integers, and you can tell taking of set forms positive integers and negative integers. Positive integer symbol Z plus, nothing but 1, 2, 3 up to so on. This is positive integer set of all, nothing but natural numbers equal to. Next to negative integers, symbol is Z minus, -1, -2 up to so on. This is our sets. Set of all natural numbers symbol is N. Set of all whole numbers symbol is W. Set of all integers Z, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next -1, -2, -3 up to so on. Next positive set, positive numbers and negative numbers. Positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on, that is must equal to N, and negative integers Z minus, -1, -2 up to so on. Next one, rational numbers. This is symbol is Q. This is a set of all rational numbers. You can select it small x is equal to P by Q, such that P comma Q belongs to Z, and also condition Q does not equal to 0. This is a P by Q form elements, nothing but fraction elements. This is a set of all rational numbers. Next to set of all irrational numbers, Q dash, √2, √3, √5, √7 up to so on. Next one, set of all real numbers. Real numbers nothing but N subset R, W subset R, Z subset R, and also Q subset R, and also Q dash subset R. So is a real numbers definition Q union Q dash. So you can select any elements 1, 2, 3, 4 positive elements, negative elements, and also fraction elements, and also √2, √3 also elements. All elements belongs to R, capital R. This set of all real numbers. Next to complex. Complex is equal to set of all complex numbers symbol C. So this is A plus IB. One condition, A comma B belongs to real numbers and I square equal to -1. So this is a total sets, natural, whole numbers, integers, rationals, irrationals, real numbers, and complex numbers. So next definition very important, that is a binary operation. Next definition very important, binary operation. So what is binary operation is very important in algebra topic, or you can select it groups or rings. So in this fourth semester, read and definitions binary operation. So what is binary operation means? You can select it. F is a set form, S cross to S to S. So this S is a non-empty set. You can select elements and the domain S cross S and codomain S. So S cross S means pair of elements. So this is A comma B. This is domain S cross S. This is codomain S. So what is relation? F, where to where S cross to S. So F is called a binary operation. So A comma B must belongs to domain S cross S and codomain. This is F of A comma B is belongs to S. Total this is equal to 1 elements. You can select it C. This must belongs to S. Nothing but any elements you can taking the set form and also applying the operations, that is total result to is belongs to the same set form. So another example you can select it plus. Plus is a binary operation. In this side F is a binary operation. This side plus you can select it. What is mean? Natural numbers. N cross S to N cross N to N. So this is a plus is a binary operation. So what is mean? Domain is N cross N and codomain is N. So you can select 1 comma 1. So what is binary operation? Plus. So 1 plus 1, what is 2? This is elements up to 1. So this is 1 plus 1, 2. So you can select it 1 comma 2. Binary operation, what is plus? 1 plus 2, what is 3? So this is a plus is a binary operation. So you can select it more binary operation in this system: plus, circle, minus, and multiplication, star. These are called a binary operations. So next to some definitions. Closure law. What is closure law means? You can select a binary operation plus and you can apply in the any non-empty set. So first condition, closure law. Binary operation, what is? Plus. So you can select it natural number set form 1, 2, 3 up to 1. So what is binary operation plus? Actually what is closure law means? A comma B belongs to N. This implies binary operation is plus. So what happen means A plus B belongs to N. So plus is a binary operation. You can select any elements. So A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 is belongs to natural numbers. So binary operation is satisfied. So next you can change the binary operation circle. So what happen means A comma B belongs to N. This implies binary operation, what is circle? Nothing but multiplication. A circle B, 1 circle 2 means 1 2 is 2 is belongs to N. So circle nothing but you can applying the multiplication methods. So this is a closure law. Next one, associative law. So total law you can select it just with respect to place. What is closure law with respect to circle and what is properties? First one, closure law. Closure law means you can select it A comma B belongs to G. G nothing but non-empty sets. So this implies closure law A plus B belongs to G. Next one, associative law. Associative law means you can select 3 elements. Let A comma B comma C belongs to G. So what is binary operation is plus. So A plus B plus C is equal to A plus of B plus C. Closure associative. Next one, identity. Identity law is very important. A plus E is equal to A is equal to E plus A. So a plus e is equal to a. This is identity condition. So a plus e is equal to a. E is equal to, you can select at 0. So 0 is a identity element. This is closure law, associative identity with respect to plus. With respect to circle closure law, what happen means a circle B belongs to G. So just to change the binary operation, this side you can select it plus, this side you can select it circle. So a circle B belongs to, this is closure law, a circle B of circle C is equal to a circle of B circle C. This is a associative law. Next, identity law means a circle E is equal to a, or is equal to E circle A. Maximum you can taking circle, this one you can condition you can select it, a circle E is equal to a circle E is equal to a. So this is a identity law. With respect to circle, this side with respect to binary operation plus circle, and this side you selecting another binary operations multiplication. So same conditions, a circle B belongs to G, a circle B of circle C equal to a circle of a into B belongs to G, closure. A into B of into C is equal to a into of B into C, associative. A into E is equal to a is equal to E into a. Nothing but maximum you can select in this condition, a into E is equal to a. So you can applying the into binary operations. So next, closure, associative, identity. Next, inverse. Inverse law, binary operation with respect to plus, a plus b is equal to e. Nothing but a plus of minus a is equal to e is equal to 0. This is binary operation with respect to plus. Inverse law, a plus b equal to e, or a plus of minus a equal to e is equal to 0. Next, comparative law. Commutative law, a plus b is equal to b plus a. With respect to plus binary operation, commutative law, a plus b equal b plus a. So this side, for all any element you can select it, a comma b comma e belongs to G. This here also, for all a comma b belongs to G. So this is a definitions very important, and also binary operations. So you can change the binary operation circle. What happen means a circle B is equal to E. This is a inverse law. Commutative law means a circle B is equal to B circle A. So depending on binary operations, these are important definitions: closure, associative, identity, inverse, and also commutative laws. So very important is binary operation. This side you can select it plus a plus b equal to E, inverse law, or a plus b of minus a equal to e nothing but 0. Commutative law, a plus b equal to b plus a. So this is binary operation circle, a circle b equal to e. This is inverse law, a circle b equal to b circle a. This is commutative law. So next example, set of all real numbers, or can selected plus. Plus is a binary operation. Actually this is a one definition, algebraic system or algebraic structure. You can select one set and you can applying the binary operation. This is r comma plus is called a algebraic system or algebraic structure. So r comma plus is a group nothing but 4 properties satisfied. One is closure, associative, identity, and inverse. 4 properties satisfied, then r comma plus is called a group. So first you can, what is group definition means, So GBA non-empty set. You can select any elements. So let A comma B comma C belongs to G. 3 elements is belongs to G. Group means GBA group, and binary operation is plus. Nothing but G comma plus is a group means 4 conditions satisfied: closure, associative, identity, and inverse. Closure means A plus B belongs to G. Associative means A plus B of plus C is equal to A plus of B plus C. Closure, associative, identity. Identity A plus E is equal to A. Next inverse. Inverse law A plus B is equal to E. So these 4 properties satisfied, then G comma plus is a group. This is a very important group definition. This side example, R comma plus is a group. R is a set of all real numbers. So satisfy the conditions. Plus is a binary operation. First one, closure law. Closure law A comma B belongs to R. So plus is binary operation. A plus B belongs to R. So example, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. This belongs to real numbers. Closure law satisfied. Next one, associative law. Associative law with respect to what is binary operation? Plus. So condition A plus B of plus C is equal to A plus of B plus C. So A comma B comma C is must belongs to real numbers. So first you can apply the LHS part. LHS, what is A plus B plus C? So example, you can selected elements 1 plus 2 plus 3. A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3. 1 plus 2 means 3. 3 plus 3, 6 is belongs to real numbers. LHS is over. Next RHS. What is RHS? A plus of B plus C. A plus of B plus C. So A means 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 5. Total 1 plus 5, 6. So LHS equal to RHS. This total belongs to real numbers. So closure law satisfied in the set of all real numbers. Associative satisfied. Closure, associative. Third one, identity. Identity condition, what is this one? A plus E. A plus E is equal to A. So you can selected A is equal to 5. So what happened? 5 plus E is equal to 5. So with respect to plus binary operation, E value 0. This is fixed condition. So 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. So E equal to 0. E equal to 0 is a identity element in real numbers. Next, inverse. Inverse law, what is means? A plus B is equal to E. So A means 5, B means minus 5 is equal to 0. So A plus of minus 5 equal to 0. Minus 5 is a inverse of plus 5. So this is a closure and associative and identity and inverse. 4 conditions satisfied. Then R comma plus is a group. Therefore R comma plus is a group. So this is a definition satisfied. This is main definition, group definition, and you can applying the conditions, all conditions, closure, associative, identity and inverse with respect to binary operation plus. Then R complex is a group.